Good morning. We're going to take a look at the British pound versus the US dollar following last week's rate rise by the Bank of England. We're going to take a look, first of all, at this daily chart. What we've actually seen the market do since this rate rise is, in fact, come off slightly. I suspect the rate rise was just fully priced in, completely expected. But it's quite interesting where this correction has eased back to. And you can see that the previous downtrend is now acting as support for the market. And that is holding up quite well just below this 120 mark. Now, come Monday morning, what do we expect? Well, this correction hasn't been very much in the scheme of things. It's not managed to clear the 55-day moving average, which is currently at 122.14. It's also smacked into this cloud resistance, which is offering quite decent resistance directly above the market. And if we just quickly flick to the weekly chart, you can see that all we've actually done is not even a 23.6% retracement of the entire move down that we've seen since 2021. The 23.6% retracement comes in at 123.50 for your guide. Now let's just quickly flick back to the daily chart. So we've not managed to really clear decent resistance. We have managed to break above this downtrend, and the downtrend is now acting as support. I think Monday morning, where this previous trend line comes in, is going to be pretty crucial. Okay, now this comes in about 119.80, and I think if we start to break below there, this market is just going to keel over and start to resume its down move. What will be key is what this market does around this previous downtrend. If we actually see it manage to hold down here and bounce off, there will be a chance to overcome this 55-day moving average and also this cloud resistance and actually give it a fighting chance of a decent correction. But for now, there's a lot of work that needs to be done. The RSI is pretty neutral. The DMI, which had given you a very, mediocre buy signal, has actually already turned down again. So that's not giving you any help. And currently, I think the risks still remain on the downside. And if this 119.80 level doesn't hold, I think we're going to go revisit the low that we saw back at the in the middle of July, coming in around 117.60. Good luck.